I think I liked watching the action movies. We will walk for many kilometers to go just to watch a movie of these top action movie actors like Yuri Boyka.
Yeah.
I know you can know him as Scott Atkins.
Yeah, I know him as Yuri Boyka as well. Yeah.
We have watched so many movies. He's my role model, but that guy is my role model in the action industry. We will walk many kilometers to go just to watch a movie. When we come back home, we're being caned with our parents. Where were you? Maybe we didn't attend the cattle to make sure they are okay.
Yeah.
But that never brought my morale down. And I started practicing the fighting stunts. Then I developed how do these people make this action that grew in me.